and the ocean was 53 degrees. Seas were 4 feet.
Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. High pressure, dry and cool conditions over the middle Atlantic region will give way to a cold front. Wet and colder conditions during the early half of the upcoming week. High pressure will return toward the end of the week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding KEC listening area. Rest of today, cloudy late this morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows around 30. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming northwest after midnight. Tuesday, cloudy with a chance of rain and snow showers. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-40s. Lows around 30. Friday through Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the lower 30s. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia, as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, today and tonight. A small craft advisory is in effect for Chesapeake Bay south of Drum Point and Pangasius Sound until 7 p.m. this evening. A small craft advisory is in effect for the rest of the Chesapeake Bay and all tidal Potomac waters from 1 p.m. today until 7 p.m. this evening. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries north of North Beach. Rest of today, southwest winds 10 knots with gusts to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Monday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. Monday night, northwest winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of rain in the morning, then a chance of showers. Wednesday through Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The next 2 high tides for Baltimore Harbor at Fort McHenry will be at 4:48 this afternoon and again at 4:26 Monday morning. The next 2 high tides at the Thomas Point Lighthouse will be at 2:52 this afternoon and again at 2:30 Monday morning.
The 11 a.m. observation in Baltimore. At BWI Airport, cloudy skies. The temperature was 37 degrees, dew point 19. Humidity was 48%. Winds were west at 13 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.06 inches and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At the Inner Harbor, 41 degrees. At Martin State Airport, partly sunny. Temperature 39 degrees. Southwest wind at 12, gusting to 17. At Annapolis, the temperature was 40. Winds west at 8 miles an hour. At Harrisburg, cloudy. It was 34 degrees. Winds were west at 12, gusting to 20. At Patuxent River Naval Air Station, partly sunny skies. It was 41. Southwest wind at 15 miles an hour. At Washington, cloudy. 39 degrees. West wind at 9. At Salisbury, sunny skies. It was 43. Wind west at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 20. At Dover, mostly sunny. 40 degrees. Wind west at 16, gusting to 22. At Wilmington, cloudy skies. It was 39. Wind west at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Ocean City, sunny skies. It was 41 degrees. West wind at 13. At New York, cloudy skies. 41. Wind west at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Philadelphia, cloudy skies. 40. Wind west at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 24. At Raleigh, mostly sunny skies. 43. Wind southwest at 9 miles an hour. On the waters, Thomas Point Light was 38 degrees. The wind was west at 14 knots, gusting to 21. And the water temperature was 48 degrees. At Cove Point, the wind was southwest at 12 knots, gusting At Francis Scott Key Bridge, the wind was west at 13 knots, gusting to 15. At Tolchester, the wind was west at 14 knots, gusting to 18. 15 miles east of Fenwick Island, the wind was west at 16 knots, gusting to 23, and the ocean was 53 degrees. Seas were 4 feet. The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
That is Paul. Oh, that is Paul. Never mind.
Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the